A port area is usually perceived to be full of cruises, containers, and people trespassing. However, looking on the other side, we notice the locals and tourists trying to use the empty spaces of Port de Barcelona in their own ways. The seed to an idea was hence laid. Why not give back the port to the city by activating the dead spaces for the people to use, manipulate, and design in their own unique ways? Analyzing the logistics of the port, the loading and unloading of containers, goods, oils, and other products, we noticed that every time a container ship is loaded from the port, it would leave behind empty spaces that remain untouched for a span of few hours. These temporal spaces only helped us strengthen our idea further. We went on to study these void formations throughout the port in a span of 24 hours to understand the scale and quality of these spaces. We were able to categorize these voids based on their cause of formation, that is, container voids, parking voids, factory voids, and so on. The opportunities generated from these were numerous and of unique characteristics. Void optimization would only be possible if the user would be able to access them with ease. The concept of simple user interfaces could help achieve this. The concept of our system deployment is based on existing real-time data collected at the port. From these sensor-detected voids, anchoring points for the infrastructure can be defined. Our site intervention concentrates on the container area of the port. We rearranged and grouped the existing voids to create optimal formations. A panel of 14 bending components sits in an area of 12 by 4 containers. The former mentioned anchoring points are realized with the help of locking systems placed at container length intervals. Pushing systems exist at the end of each component to achieve the infrastructure. The consequences of our intervention at an urban scale could provide various playful scenarios in the future, leading to new building formations and so on.
On the wall. I want to get away from it all.
For our prototype, we first tested the bending of wood in 1:1 scale. After joining multiple panels and analyzing the merits and demerits of the same, we were able to construct our final prototype in 1:10 scale with manual locking and pushing systems.